everyone, welcome to Mom Do's Chinese kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this. Sichuan Dan Dan noodles is it's a very famous street food. So let's get started. First up, let's open the fire and pour oil. Here I have green onions, Sichuan green pepper, and star anise, ginger, bay leaf, pepper, and fennel. Later I'm going to put it in oil to bring those all the aromas in oil to prepare our chili oil. After about 3-4 minutes, if you want to know if the oil is okay, you can simply take a chopstick and put inside. You see the bubble coming up? It means the temperature is right. Right now, let's put everything in. Just be careful when you put it inside. At this time, let's reduce the heat to medium, and we just need to be patient, wait for some time until the green onions will turn to a little bit golden brown. Let's bring in the oil. Be careful. Here we take some chili powder and some pink salt, around one small teaspoon. I reheat up the oil and we pour oil inside. At the same time we stir it. Just mix. Now we start to cook the ground pork. We heat up the oil in the pan. Now pork in. Until the color changes to white. The water from the pork comes out. We still need to stir it because this, we call it salt, must be a little bit dry. This is the texture of Sichuan Dan Dan noodles. Their salt is a little bit dry. When it's almost ready, let's add some soy sauce. Keep on stirring. Here we go. We take some shallots. Chop into tiny pieces. And then parsley. Also tiny pieces. So here is the shallots, parsley, ground pork, chili oil, sesame seed sauce, vinegar, and soy sauce. Here, I put hot water in and we start to boil the water. I didn't wash the pan, it's okay, there's no need to wash. And this is non-sticky pan, so there's no burning stuff inside. So it's okay. But if you want to wash, it's much better. But this is like to save your time. Let's wait for 3 minutes. See, the water is boiling now, and let's put the noodles in. Because I'm making a less version, that's why I use a small cooking pan. Slowly stir it for some time to prevent any noodles or sticking together. Let's boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Once the noodles are almost done, let's add some vegetables. First, we add soy sauce, like 1 tablespoon, and vinegar, a little bit of sesame sauce. So one of the most important ingredients, chili oil. If you like chili, you can take more. It depends on your taste. I take 2.5 spoons. Shallots and some parsley. Now the noodles in. Because it's a street food, it's snacks, so we don't eat that much. We take a little bit. Sorry, accident. Yeah, we take a little bit. A little bit of starch water. The green leaves. And the last, the very important, salts, the ground pork salts. Now, let's look at the color. Wow, it's so tasty with the chili oil and ground beef salt. Now it's good to go. Here you go.你站在这儿看啊。So finally, I made it. Let's taste it. No, I don't have the time to talk. It's so tasty. I don't have time to talk to my daughter. Wow. You know why this called it dan dan noodles? Dan dan means the pole, the stick, the bamboo stick. A businessman carrying on the shoulder. That's why it's called dan dan noodles. We call it, in Chinese we call it 扁担. That's why this is called dan dan noodles. Oh, I'm going to enjoy my dan dan noodles. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. So let me see you in my next video. Bye bye.
这是要看小猪呀。